It's like, oh, okay. So let's say
You
like,
want a bunch of junk food, you gonna be fat.
Junk food, fat, yes, consequences. So what you ingest is what you project. We're talking about possibilities based upon our surroundings and what we were exposed to and how we respond to what we were exposed to. What's up?
Some kids, if they've gone through a really bad childhood, they swear that they're never going to do that to their kids.
Never gonna do that. So you can say I'm either gonna duplicate what my parents did, I'm gonna replicate what they did, or I'm going to end the cycle.
Because everybody got their own personal experience.
Everybody has their own personal experiences. So now this writing prompt here falls right in line with, I guess, certain ones who may have been raised and made the decision, I'm never going to beat my kids. So now we're trying to come up with more creative ways to discipline and to provide structure for our children, because children need structure, yes?
Yes.
Children, they need rules, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so there has to be a code, right? So we have to come up with a code that's going to be the most constructive, right? And the most conducive for their development, right? So this parent here finds out that her daughter is dating an older guy.
It's so and so with me because it's reasonable, but it's not. The way that is reasonable because, of course, you're gonna want to discipline your child for talking to somebody old because you don't want them to get like sex trafficked or anything. You don't know what's going on with that. But taking the whole door and taking the clothes.
No, y'all. She took the frame off the bed and left the mattress with no sheets on it, no pillows.
No box, no box.
And this is where the clothes come in. It would have been fine if she had just. It would have been fine if she just took all of that and left the clothes, because you can use the clothes as an extra blanket, pillow, whatever you need. But she took all that.
Yeah, she said the box frame. Just put her on.
See, I understand.
Let me interject this. Your parents are supposed to make sure you are housed, you are clothed, you are fed, you are safe, right?
And that's basically
that's basic, right? That's base level parenting, right?
Yes, and she's not even
okay.
doing that.
So privilege would be I get to wear stylish clothes. Privilege would be I get to have a door on my frame. Privilege might be I have sheets on my bed.
No.
Bare necessity doesn't necessarily mean that you get to have all the extra niceties
Okay,
that
but make it make sense.
It's fine, she doesn't have nice clothes, but she has no clothes. They said no clothes.
Like I get it.
She gonna be wearing the same clothes.
She gonna be cold at night.
Okay.
Thankfully, I don't have a daughter.
God, yes, sir.
Okay, and then you might as well get an alarm for your house to make sure that the door is not.
At this point,
In the car.
what is it going on? Hold on. There's a few things going on. The door is a privacy situation. So maybe she proved via her behavior that she shouldn't deserve privacy at the moment. Maybe she's too immature to handle privacy. Because when she had privacy,
If she knew how to handle privacy, then that would have never happened. Like this falls on both of the people in this situation, because depending on how the mother was raised, she probably went through this and was like, well, since you're doing all of this, I'm gonna go ahead and inflict on you what was inflicted on me.
That could be.
But she could have, like she has said, carried it differently and had more engagement with her daughter.
So
But she
your
didn't
da-
do
so your
that. She
daughter
took the whole
speaks out.
door. She took all her necessities that she needed. So that way, she can easily get sick from her.
you think she could get
Take
sick?
that boy, you might as well take her food
I
out.
mean, she
Exactly.
could be rationing out the clothes. Maybe it's like
She did it like,
We're in jail.
no.
this is literal. People have done this,
Also, kids be happy today. They might run away.
right?
Or hypothetically, if this happened, I would do that. And then we're met with the moment, and the moment shows us who we really are. Because sometimes we overreact in the moment.
Wait, so she's 17. How old is the guy she's talking to?
And the mama didn't do that apparently.
Don't let me see that guy anywhere around here, because I fight.
So do you think what mom did here protect her child?
Yeah. Teach
No.
her a lesson.
She will have locks on her windows, locks on the doors. She will not be getting out of that house unless she is going to the grocery store. Do you understand?
Okay.
She ain't going nowhere unless she's going with me.
You're not leaving her
Okay.
And I wish you would have a friend come over. Ain't nobody coming over. No girls, no boys. You won't even have family members over here with you.
Okay.
So,
Good luck. Ready.
Wish upon a
Wish on a
star.
star.
Make a wish, kid.
She got it first. Mackenzie got it
What she
first.
say? Make a wish on a star.
Wish upon a star.
That's
Death row.
Deaf kid.
The feds. Death row.
She got it.
What is it?
I heard somebody say so herself. Oh.
Little
too late.
I'm sorry?
Too late.
That would be you.
You gotta make these hard.
You do one more now.
Wait, no.
Jamar.
One more like.
Man, one more, bro.
What we got here. Taking her daughter's clothes, leaving her clothes is useless. Why is parenting her by not helping her out? Or helping her wonder why some kids are scared to speak out in terms of certain situations. Learn how to parent and stop blaming and punishing the child. Learn how to parent. Let's see. I feel like punishments are not harsh, but sometimes parents be doing too much with punishments. Beating your child with a cord, whether you're screaming, crying, is too harsh for a punishment. And punishing your child, it should not be in a harmful way. Every kid needs a punishment to learn a lesson from doing wrong. See what this person says. Everybody has a way looking at things.